30 more deportees arrive from the United States.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Approximately 30 deportees from the United States arrived in the island on Thursday the 28th of May as America continues their policy of returning individuals to their home despite the COVID-19 pandemic. 40 Jamaicans were initially scheduled to be deported, and there has been no word from the United States as to why the number was reduced. However, US authorities had previously indicated that they would not send home anyone who displayed signs of illness or who tested positive for the coronavirus. This is the second batch of deportees to be returned to Jamaica since the borders were closed to incoming passengers on the 24th of March. The deportees arrived at the Norman Manley International Airport and were whisked away to a St. Andrew hotel where they will be quarantined for 14 days. They will be tested for the virus and only allowed to rejoin their families if they return to negative test results after the 14 days had elapsed. The returned residents were transported in 3 police trucks, accompanied by 6 marked police vehicles. There were also unmarked vehicles with police and government officials along with a military van. The latest batch of deportees adds to the 46 who were flown into the Norman Manley International Airport on the 21st of April aboard a charter flight.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.